This right here is the all-new Heybike Villian, currently the best budget electric mini bike on the market. In the power department, this bike is packing a 52 volt 26 amp hour battery, which is attached to a mid-drive motor that puts out 4,160 watts. Attached to the mid-drive motor is a 420 chain and a massive 60-tooth rear sprocket. With that battery and motor combo, Heybike claims that this bike will do a top speed of 45 miles per hour and has a range of up to 50 miles. Aesthetically, I think it looks really cool. I like that they put black spokes. The painted yellow swing arm and the yellow seat looks really, really cool. It has a 14-inch front wheel, a 12-inch rear wheel. It has an air shock in the rear and hydraulic forks in the front. It has hydraulic DOT disc brakes front and rear. It has a front headlight mounted above the number plate. Overall seat height is just about 30 inches. It only weighs 125 pounds, so it's nice and light and offers some pretty solid performance for a price tag of only $13.99. And if you use my discount code, you'll get another $100 off your order. To get the Heybike Villian started, you take your key, put it into the ignition up front here and turn it on. You can hit the M button to cycle through the options down here on the menu, which are like your odometer, your tripometer, and the plus and minus button cycles from gear 0 through 3. 0 is neutral, and going up just increases the power and the top speed of the bike. So 1 is going to be the slowest and 3 is going to be the fastest. All right, let's see if she'll do 45. She's got really, really, really good torque off the line. We're already doing 35. Holy shit. This thing's fast. What the heck? I'm already up to 44, 45. Oh yeah. She gets up to 40 real nice and quick. Hit this corner at speed. Oh, baby. It feels really nice and stable at speeds too. Another cool feature that this bike has that I haven't seen any other e-bike have, especially at this price point, it has regenerative engine braking. What that means is every time you let off the throttle, like through that corner, I was letting off the throttle, the engine braking is slowing me down, and the engine braking is using the rear wheel to generate power and put it back into the battery. Whenever you let off the throttle, you're actually recharging your battery ever so slightly. The soil is very moist. Not sure how much trust I have in it yet. Oh, nice downhill. Slimy corner. Oh, whoa, wet uphill. Pulling a wheelie up it. The ergonomics of the bike overall are pretty good. Obviously, it's a mini bike, so you have to get used to that. But it does feel pretty good to ride. It feels pretty naturally comfortable, which is very important. It's one of the things that I emphasize a lot on bikes is how they feel just overall in general while you're riding in corners, over jumps and bumps. If a bike doesn't feel comfortable to ride fast, you're never going to be confident on it. Honestly. Oh yeah, we're clearing that little table. This thing feels plenty cozy. So good. The brakes are so sensitive. Flying into these corners, I feel like. Feels easy enough to lean this thing over, get your body weight on the edge, and it does feel good in the air off this jump. Feels nice and smooth, doesn't do anything weird. I'm a huge advocate for these electric mini bikes, man. They just open up so many doors for riding possibilities right out your backyard that you don't normally have with full-size gas dirt bikes because they're so loud. If you have a smaller backyard but you want to ride, this is the solution right here, man. The Heybike Villian got tons of torque. You can build little jumps and it'll handle all the jumps in the corners nicely. Look at this. Going into this corner like 35 miles an hour, slam on those brakes, lean it over. Oh my God, yeah. And because this thing is only 125 pounds, so light, so nimble, it is so much fun to flick around through woods like this, through tight trails. If you have property where you're able to make some tight trails, you don't want to be making too much noise, little e-bike battles would be so sick with your friends. Oh yeah, oh yeah! Dude, this thing is sick. This thing is so sick. Under the tree. Look at this thing. This thing is climbing these hills with speed. Oh my God. Yeah, suspension is pretty good over those routes. And if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna be riding this bike all the way until the battery is fully drained, and I will let you guys know exactly how many miles I get out of an entire battery charge. All right, we got a hill climb over here on the left. I think this thing has the torque to handle it. See if we can get it up first try. Get some speed. Oh yeah. I definitely recommend, if you get one of these, to take the brake sensors off. If you know how to ride, if you know what you're doing, you don't need the throttle to be shut off every time you're using the brakes. I think it's a good feature, safety feature for kids to have. And new riders, like if you're pressing the brake, it means that the throttle won't work. Serious downhill. Yes, sir, it is. It is a very deep, narrow rut. And I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to make it up this. Full throttle. Third, off the brakes. Oh, I'm looping it. The biggest issue is just my big fat legs in the way in this trench. Look at this. It's got enough power to just do a little, oh yeah, power turn. Let's go. Don't lose my balance. There it is. There it is. One feature this bike has that I think is very interesting is this R button right here. And if you long press it, it puts the bike into reverse. And when I use the throttle, I'll start going backwards. I'll just pop the front wheel over that little gap. Suspension works just fine for what you're going to be putting this through. Obviously, if you're doing massive jumps with these things, the suspension is not going to be able to handle that. Oh my God, laying it into the corner. It's so much fun, dude. Like I'm pulling wheelies up over the bumps, jumping that, and the suspension doesn't bottom out whatsoever. Oh! And the instant low end torque right off the bottom pulls you out of the corners really fast. Oh my God, the dirt is so good today. I can't believe how good this thing is handling the corners, man. Even with all the bumps in them. But yeah, I think the Heybike Villian might be the best bang for your buck right now. For $13.99, a 52 volt, 26 amp hour battery, a 4100 watt motor. Most mini e-bikes in this price range come with like a 2000 watt motor. Half the power of this thing. So in addition to the good battery and the good motor, this thing just has some cool features like the regenerative engine braking. That is so cool. I've never seen that on one of these e-bikes in this price point. The fact that you can charge up your battery when you're off the throttle works better when you don't ride mostly on the throttle. Like I'm pretty much full throttle the whole time I'm riding this thing. Oh, that's slimy. And these technical trails in through here, obviously I'm getting off the throttle a little bit. And in case y'all are wondering, today we are riding at Charles City Dirt Riders in Charles City, Virginia. This place is an absolute gem to ride. Not only is it a beautiful property on the river, you got a beautiful pond, wide open fields to ride. You got a couple different motocross tracks. You got a bunch of different trails. It's open 7 days a week as long as the conditions are okay and it's not too rainy. Definitely check it out. If you've never been to Charles City Dirt Riders in Virginia, check it out. This trail right here is right on the river over here. Such a beautiful trail. A little bit overgrown right now. I need to come back in here and chop. Look at that, nice water. Oh my goodness, I did not expect that entire tree to be down. This is a perfect use for my reverse. I'm gonna put it in reverse. There we go. Honestly, I never thought I would use that reverse. That was super helpful in that situation. If you have never rode one of these electric mini bikes, I highly recommend trying one. For the low price point that they're out, it's a lot of fun just to have one of these in the garage to play around on at a moment's notice. Anytime I have friends come over or family come over, they always like messing around on these little electric mini bikes. And I gotta say, I think out of all the electric mini bikes that I have, truly the Heybike Villian is my favorite so far. For the price point and the power that you get and the way that it looks, I really like the way it looks too, and that's important. I think this one is the best one on the market currently. So and they're so lightweight and agile, you can just dip in and out of trails, like very tight trails. I guarantee you, you're gonna be faster on this thing in the trails than you are on your regular dirt bike. Oh snap. 1 bar? It just said no bars. I need to turn around and get my ass out of here. Yeah, it says no bars. Oh no, I don't know if I'm gonna make it back, boys. She's only going 11 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, full throttle. One thing I gotta say is, up until the point where it was like pretty much dead, this thing was still putting out a good power output that whole time I was riding it. Like I was getting through the trails and the mud, no problem. And then almost like a light switch, it was like, yeah, dude, we don't have a whole lot of juice left. After a long push back to the truck, we are finally here. That battery is completely dead. I got the error code. I have about 15.5 miles on it. That's what I got out of a full charge riding on mode 3, wide open all day. I'm 180 pounds, full grown adult. Overall, I gotta say, I am super impressed with this thing at a price point of $13.99. There's so many other things in this world that are more expensive than that, and this brings such a smile to my face. It brings so much joy to me. If you guys want an electric mini bike, I think this is the one. Go get it, the Heybike Villian. Use my discount code to get another $100 off your order. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.